Hello everyone, I'm here today to present you a non-compulsory activity. It means you don't have to do it, but it's really fun, so I advise you to try it. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a very well-known story by Roald Dahl. And here I tell you to do some activities. First of all, you have some information on Roald Dahl's life. Then you have a couple of pre-reading activities. So you can print this out and stick it on your exercise book or simply answer on your exercise book. Then you start reading from chapter 1. In this chart that you see here, I wrote down all the verbs in the past with the base forms that you find in the story. For example, this is a story about a small boy whose name is Charlie Bucket. Charlie lived with his family in a little wooden house near a big town. Now, lived is a verb in the past, but if you want to look it up in the dictionary, then you need to search for the base form, that is live. I did the same in all the pages of this booklet, and when you arrive at the end of the story, which is on chapter 26 here, after that you have some other activities that you can do. This is activity number 3, which again is this page here, which you can print or give the answers in your exercise book. And then there is also an activity on your favorite character. What you have to do is click on this link, open it, why not? Maybe here it is. Okay, so who is your favorite character? Why? Who is your least favorite character? It means who is the character that you don't like and why? So you go and look for your class, 1B or 1E, and then you write something about your favorite character according to the number of your name. Then, maybe the most interesting activity is activity number 5. You can add a chapter to continue the story, and this is going to be a contest, a writing contest, like real writers. And again, you click on this link, and researchers found a new chapter that Roald Dahl forgot to add to the story. What was there in this chapter? Now it's your turn. You write it. And remember that there will be a surprise for the best chapters, okay? Yes, you got it. You will get a prize. So let's start this contest right now.